The 1940s saw the birth of the computer as we know it. These early computers were behemoths, often filling entire rooms. They used vacuum tubes, which looked like light bulbs, to process information. One such computer was ENIAC, built in 1945. ENIAC was a giant. It used thousands of vacuum tubes and took up a massive space. It could do calculations much faster than humans, but it was difficult to program and use. ENIAC was mainly used for military purposes, like calculating artillery firing tables. Despite its limitations, ENIAC marked a turning point. It showed that computers could solve complex problems quickly. This sparked a wave of innovation in computer design and development. The next few decades saw rapid progress. Scientists and engineers worked tirelessly to improve computer technology. They wanted to make computers smaller, faster, and easier to use. In 1947, the transistor was invented. This tiny device could do the work of a vacuum tube, but was much smaller and more efficient. The transistor revolutionized electronics, making way for smaller and more powerful computers. Then came the integrated circuit, or microchip, in the late 1950s. This invention packed thousands of transistors onto a single chip of silicon. The microchip was a game changer. It drastically reduced the size and cost of computers, making them accessible to more people. With the microchip, computers became smaller and more affordable. They were no longer limited to large institutions like universities and governments. Businesses began to see the potential of computers for tasks like accounting, data processing, and research. The invention of the microprocessor in the early 1970s further miniaturized the central processing unit, or CPU, of a computer onto a single chip. This paved the way for the personal computer revolution. The 1980s witnessed the rise of the personal computer, or PC. Companies like Apple and IBM introduced affordable computers for home and office use. The PC revolution put computing power in the hands of ordinary people. The invention of the graphical user interface, or GUI, made computers more user-friendly. Instead of typing commands, users could interact with computers using a mouse and icons. This made computers more accessible to non-programmers. The 1990s saw the explosion of the Internet. Initially a network for researchers, the Internet quickly became a global phenomenon. People could now access information, communicate, and share ideas instantly. The Internet revolutionized communication, commerce, and entertainment. It created new industries and transformed existing ones. It connected people around the world like never before. The 21st century ushered in the digital age. Computers became ubiquitous, integrated into everything from smartphones to cars to home appliances. The Internet of Things, or IoT, connected devices, enabling them to communicate and share data. The rise of artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning opened new frontiers. Computers could now learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. AI has applications in healthcare, finance, transportation, and many other fields. The future of computers is full of possibilities. Quantum computing promises exponentially faster processing speeds. Biocomputing explores using biological molecules to perform computations. The possibilities are endless. From the room-sized ENIAC to today's smartphones, computers have come a long way. They have transformed our world in countless ways and continue to shape our future. The computer revolution is an ongoing journey, and we are only beginning to explore its full potential.